So once again, a warm welcome to one and all present over here. Today we are going to have revision session based on lines and angles. Now, let us see today about types of angles. Angle A and angle B are adjacent angles. Angle A and angle B are adjacent angles. Angle 1 and angle 2 are linear pair. What is linear pair? The sum of both the angles is 180 degree. Vertically opposite angles. This angle is vertically opposite to this angle, and this angle is vertically opposite to this angle. It means this is 1, this is 2. So angle 1 is equals to angle 2. If this is 3, this is 4. Angle 3 is equals to angle 4. It is clear to each and everyone. Adjacent angles, linear pair, vertically opposite angles. Now, in detail, what are adjacent angles? Adjacent angles are the angles that having a common arm and common vertex. They are having a common arm and common vertex. Common arm के इस तरफ एक एंगल, इस तरफ एक एंगल. Okay, so angle CAD, this is angle CAD, and angle BAD total forms CAB. ठीक है. So CAD and BAD are known as adjacent angles. Now talking about linear pair, it is also having a common arm and common vertex, but the difference is that the sum of two angles is a straight line. It means angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180 degree. Here angle A and angle B is total angle CAB, but not 180 degree in this case. But in this angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180 degree. Clear? Okay. So एंगल ए ओ बी प्लस एंगल बी ओ सी इज 180 डिग्री. ठीक है. Therefore AOB and BOC forms a linear pair. They forms a linear pair because it forms a straight line. Clear? Okay, fine. Now vertically opposite angles. If two lines intersect, two pairs of vertical opposite angles are formed. For example, two lines intersect. This is line number 1, line number 2. Therefore two pairs. This is pair number 1 and this is pair number 2. Two pairs of vertically angles are formed and these angles are equal, known as vertically opposite angle. This angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle. Clear? So angle AOC is equals to angle BOD and angle AOD is equals to angle BOC. Clear to each and everyone? Okay. Now open your dashboard and start solving the assignment. Now, talking about complementary angles. What are complementary angles? When the sum of two angles is 90 degree. When the sum of two angles is 90 degree, it is known as complementary angles. For example, this angle is 50 and this angle is 40. So the sum of two angles is 90, therefore they are complementary angles. One important conditions or one of the most important condition or note, complementary angles may or may not be adjacent. It is not compulsory that the two angles must be complement. The two angles that are forming complementary must be adjacent. They may or may not be adjacent. Now talking about supplementary angles, if the sum of two angles is 180 degree, then they are known as supplementary angles. This is 130, this is 50. The sum of two angles is 180. Therefore, it is known as supplementary angles. It is not necessary that supplementary angles may be adjacent. It may be adjacent or may not be adjacent. When adjacent angles forming a supplementary, they form a linear pair. हमने just अभी देखा था. For example, this is angle number 1 and this is angle number 2. They are forming supplementary. It forms a linear pair. ठीक है? Or a straight line. Clear? Now, parallel lines, transversal line, we're going to see each and everything. ठीक है? Line L is parallel to line M and this is transversal. This is two lines are parallel and one is intersecting, that is known as transversal. Now talking about the various angles. Angle 2 and angle 6 are corresponding angles. Angle 3 and angle 6, the sum of co-interior is 180. Yes or no? We already aware with this. And angle 3 and angle 5 are alternate interior angles. These are the types of angles we are already aware with. Alternate interior angles, angle 3 and angle 5. Co-interior angle, angle 3 and angle 6. The sum of co-interior angle is 180 degree. Angle 2 is equals to angle 6 corresponding angles. ठीक है. So vertically opposite angle, angle 2 or angle 4 vertically opposite angle, angle 3 and angle 1 vertically opposite, angle 5 and angle 7 vertically opposite, angle 6 and angle 7 vertically opposite. Now, corresponding angles are equal, alternate interior angles are equal, the sum of co-interior angle is 180 degree. The sum of co-interior angles is 180 degree or supplementary. Lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to one another. For example, line L is parallel to line M, and line L is parallel to line M, line N is parallel to line M. So I can say that line L is parallel to line N. Okay, the lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each another. Okay, therefore the line L is parallel to line M. Now, before starting the quiz, let's see some questions. Find the value of x by angle sum property 40 plus x. This is forming a linear pair. So what is this angle? Or by exterior angle property, we can also find 40 plus x is equal to 55. The value of x is 55 minus 40 is 15 degree. Clear by exterior angle property. Now, question number 2. You have to find out the value of x. 5x minus 60 plus 2x plus 40 plus 3x minus 80 is 180 degree. Angle sum of triangle is 180 degree. Clear? How many x? 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 3, 10x. Minus 80 minus 60 minus 140 plus 40 is minus 100 is equal to 180. 10x equals to 100 plus 180, 280. The value of x is 28. The value of x is 28. Clear? Chalo. These two angle sums are supplementary. You have to find out the value. 3x minus 35 plus 2x plus 5 is 180 degree. How much x? 5x minus 35 plus 5 minus 30 is equals to 180. 5x is equals to 210. The value of x is 210 upon 5. That is 5 for the 20, 42 degree. The value of angle x is 42 degree. If I am taking this as 3x minus 5, 3x minus 5, ठीक है, 3x minus 35 आई एम टेकिंग और इसको 2x plus 5 लेके किया तो ठीक है, बिकॉज द डायग्राम इज नॉट क्लियर. Now, clear? Anybody is having any doubt? What are alternate interior angles? बेटा देखो, alternate interior angles are this, ये वाले, ये वाला किसके बराबर होगा? एक्सटर्नल अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर की बात कर रहे हैं. देखो तो एक्स ये वाला एंगल इसके बराबर. दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू दिस एंगल. ठीक है, एंड दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू दिस एंगल. अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर. उसी तरीके से अल्टरनेट एक्सटीरियर भी होता है. ठीक है. नाउ टॉकिंग आउट दिस एंगल, यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट क्या निकालना है, द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स एंड वाई. ठीक है, देखो कैसे करेंगे. वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स एंड वाई निकालनी है ना. क्या निकालना है हमको? ठीक है, एक्स और वाई निकालना है. देखो एवरीबडी ऑन द स्क्रीन. 5x plus 12. This is 5x plus 12. Okay, angle EPR is 5x plus 12. CQP is 7x minus 36. QSH is y square plus 16. देखो ये कितना होगा? 7x minus 36. Yes or no? ये कितना होगा? 5x plus 12. Now, these two angles forming a co-interior. The sum of co-interior is 180 degree. So I can say that 5x plus 12 प्लस 7x - 36 इज 180 डिग्री। ठीक है, कौन कौन से, ये वाला और ये वाला। सो हाउ मेनी एक्स, 12x - 24 is equals to 180 degree. 12x equals to 180 plus 24, how much? 12x equals to 180 plus 24, how much? 204. 204. 204 divided by 12. Answer is 17. Answer is 17. Wait a minute. Answer is 17. Clear? Anybody is having any doubt? Okay. Now we have found out the value of x. हमारे पास x की वैल्यू आ चुकी है। ठीक है, what is the value of x? 17. Now I can say that, देखो जरा ध्यान से, the value of x is 17. We got it. The value of x is 17. Now this is 7x minus 36. 7x minus 36. Yes or no? Or 5x plus 12 both are equal. ये किसके बराबर होगा? 5x plus 12 के, because both are this and this are equal. ठीक है, ये अल्टरनेटिव एंगल से बराबर हो जाएगा. Now by putting the value of x in this equation, the value of y is 9. What is the value of y we are getting? 9. ठीक है, y square plus 16 equals to 5x plus 12. The value of y we are getting 9. Now, so what we have studied today: adjacent angles, linear pair, vertically opposite angle, complementary and supplementary, properties of parallel lines, and associated angles. Clear? Anybody is having any doubt?